What is up, social media? It was time for a new video because I've not done a video in quite a while. Duolingo recently released a course for the Yiddish language, so I'm just going to be showing what it's like and talking a little bit about the Yiddish language itself. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jean-Marc Brand and I love foreign languages, and so whenever Duolingo comes out with a new language course, I always like to try it out even if I'm not planning to become fluent in the language. Before I started this Duolingo Yiddish course, I did not know a lot about the language itself. All I knew is that it's more Germanic than it is Semitic, so it's not very close to Hebrew, and that's spoken by the Hasidic Jewish communities around the world. That's basically all I knew before starting the Duolingo Yiddish course. But after I did some more research on the Yiddish language, I did find a couple of interesting things I think are worth noting in this video, such as the fact that first became a language in medieval Europe and it was spoken by the Ashkenazi Jews, I believe, and it's now mostly spoken by Hasidic Jews now, like I mentioned earlier in this video. Another thing that I found interesting is that there are a couple different dialects of Yiddish, but the dialect of Yiddish that Duolingo teaches is the Hungarian dialect. Okay, so now I've talked a little bit about Yiddish, so let's actually take a look at the Duolingo Yiddish course itself. Okay, so here's my Duolingo account, and I'm logged on to the Yiddish course. And so as you can see, I've completed the first two sections of Yiddish, and to my surprise, it actually does have a lot of skills, so I think it could definitely get you through beginning Yiddish. But if you're looking for something to make you fluent in Yiddish, then you might want to look somewhere else. But as you can see, I'm still scrolling and I'm done. But overall, if you want to learn how to learn a language, then I think Duolingo is a perfectly legitimate place to start. And by the way, I am sorry about that little issue I had when I was recording my screen along with my webcam. It was my first time using that program, so excuse the technical difficulties. Okay, so now that I've shown you what the course sort of looks like, I'm now going to show you what it's like to do an actual lesson. And I filmed this clip a couple days ago, like the day it first came out, so I did not have that program with the web camera, so if you're wondering why I don't have the web camera, that's why. And by the way, the rest of this video is just going to be that clip where I show what the first section of the Yiddish Duolingo course is like. Oh, and I forgot to mention there's no sound from the Duolingo lesson, so I just put that little beat from the beginning, as a replacement, so enjoy.